Okay, so right now I have this book called Autobiography of a Yogi that my professor, English professor, gifted me to read this book. Okay, so when she gave me this, I was so happy and I was so over the moon that I decided that I'll finish this book in 3 days. Okay, so I started counting its pages, and the pages were more than 500. Okay, so I thought that it would be impossible for me to cover this whole book in just 3 days. Okay, so I started reading, divided the pages. On first day, I read 40 pages. On second day, I also read 40 pages. Like for 3 or 4 days, I constantly kept reading 40 to 50 pages, and I was like, after reading 40-50 pages a day, I was so overconfident that soon I'll finish this book and blah blah blah. But that didn't happen because in the middle, the syllabus that I had to cover was more than the usual. So because of that, I left studying this book for 1 to 2 days. I thought that I'll pause, and after that I'll start reading with double speed, and after that I'll read 80 to 90 pages a day. But that didn't happen because when you, I mean, it is said now ki the horse that is involved in a race starts from, I don't know what it is said, but it is said that कि रेस का घोड़ा शुरू में कम ही तेज दौड़ता है, उतना तेज नहीं दौड़ता. Okay, so my father always used to tell me this thing. So after that, it's been about 10 to 15 days, and I haven't even covered like 50% of the book. And I'll have to return this book to ma'am, and I don't know what to do. Even in case that in between I thought that I'm not deserving of this book, I shouldn't have taken it. Like even if I have studied 10 to 20 pages a day, I would have covered it in some days, like 10 days. But it's been over 12 days and I haven't completed it yet. So the moral is that even if you start slowly and steadily and are determined and constant, then you can finish the race more before likely before the one who is running and between is taking a rest, just like the story of that rabbit and tortoise. So yeah, that's it for today.